Most drivers are concerned about high fuel prices and are dependent on the dwindling supply of foreign oil. We want long-lasting engine performance and a cleaner world for ourselves and our children. With the Beco fuel tank does it all. This concentrated fuel catalyst is designed to create more efficient combustion. That means maximum fuel economy, better performance, and so easy to use. Just one tablet of Beco treats up to 20 gallons of fuel and is safe for all types of gasoline or diesel engines. Just look at all the products this one single product effectively replaces. Over $60 worth of product, all in one small application. EPA registered, fully tested at the field, even with heavy-duty diesel engines. Beco's fuel tank gives your engine the peak performance that you'll want to have in every vehicle you own, and share with your family, friends, and associates.